Are you looking for an easy way to make money from home? Look no further. Welcome back to Cash Collect, where we bring you the latest and most exciting ways to earn money online. In today's video, we will be talking about how you can get paid just by watching YouTube videos. Yes, you heard it right. You can now turn your leisure time into cash by simply watching videos on YouTube. So, sit back, relax, and get ready to earn money online now. This leads us directly to YouTube, where our first order of business is to browse for viral clips. There are a number of methods for identifying popular films, but we've settled on utilizing vidIQ because of its ease of use. Now you can go ahead and install vidIQ, join up for an account, and receive a free account to accomplish this. Once you've installed it, head to the top of the page and select the link labeled Most Viewed. You may choose between the last 7 days and the past 48 hours when you click Most Watched, and you should always check the views per hour option. I'm going to keep it at 7 days, and as you watch these films, you'll find that many of them have millions of views, as shown by the counter on this side, which updates hourly. This one, by Mr. Beast, is attracting around 430,000 views per hour. Another by the same creator is attracting around 228,000 views per hour. So, just kind of scroll through and pick whichever one you like best. And for the fun of it, I'm just going to use Mr. Beast's video that is attracting all of these wonderful views. What's going down is that you'll get paid to drive traffic to films that have already attracted massive audience and sparked a great deal of curiosity just because you recommended they check them out. So, it's not so much from watching the films as it is from convincing others to do so. There are a couple of additional measures to take, but they're not difficult and won't take long at all. Next, we'll use a free program that may be accessed at YouTubeThumbnailGrabber.com to get the thumbnail images we require. In other words, this will let you save the movie's thumbnail, which is useful because we know that the thumbnail is a big reason why the video is popular. This necessitates a download. You need to rewind the video, copy the URL, and then paste it into this box to get a thumbnail. That picture will be downloaded immediately. Next, you'll need to go on over to Canva for the following step. Creating an account is free, by the way. As soon as you're in Canva, click Create a Design. Scroll down to Custom Size, enter 1080 pixels in width and 1920 pixels in height, and then click Create New Design. Then, from your Downloads folder or another location of your choosing, select the image you wish to use and simply drag and drop it into the Canva interface. Next, you'll make a large slit in the middle. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this, so I'll get through this section fast. But then we'll go to the Elements panel, where you may select your preferred lines and shapes, and drop this box into the canvas. When you do so, the box will often try to match the color of anything in the image. In this case, the green of the trees in the background. And then I'll take it. And if you want to change the color, you can click this box here and select a new one. Then I'll do a right-click duplicate and drop the new copy below the original. Hence, a heading. Preferably one that is eye-catching, should be placed at the top of the image. Therefore, I'm choosing to choose this glow because it seems to contrast well with the green. To add insult to injury, the video is titled, "I hired a real assassin to attempt to kill me," which is a bit difficult to swallow. I know, but you can't use anything along those lines if you don't want to tap into the current zeitgeist, which seems to be that people are dying at an alarming rate. To reiterate, when writing the headline, focus on what will capture the reader's attention. Thus, I shall address Mr. to emphasize the phrase, "Mr. Beast hired an assassin to try to kill him." I'm going to go get another square. Get that down here. And I'm going to switch to a bright crimson. Try the color red, and then I'll start typing about that popular video. A headline might be made out of it, and people would be curious as to what the deal is. My next step is to return to the building blocks, where we'll write play before grabbing the first block. And after you're done with your photo, be sure to save it. Do it as a PNG, and then we'll click the Save button. As a result, we'll be employing Pinterest as our next free tool. First, you'll need to sign up for a Pinterest account. Then, after you've logged in, you'll click Create, and then Make a Pin to begin uploading your content. They allow you to use the same title that appears on the photo, so I'll call it Beast Hired an Assassin to Try to Kill Him. This is the most crucial phase of the process since it determines whether or not you will get paid. The revenue from shrinkme.io is where we will be making our money. And here is the live version of the website right now. This is part of the film where everyone goes to prove to you that they are, in fact, making the thousands of dollars per minute they promised. However, one thing I can say is positive is that they provide a wide variety of payment options, including phone PE, PayPal, Payeer, and probably more. And on ShrinkMe, you'll need to sign up for your free account. And when you do so, you'll click the Profile button in the account settings. Fill in your details and select the payment method of your choice. My plan is to use PayPal, so provide your account details, such as your PayPal email address or Payeer account number. At the bottom of this form, put in your email address, your phone number, or whatever else they tell you to write down here. Now, we may paste the video's URL that we copied before. Now, I'm going to copy the shortened link I just made, get back to Pinterest, and click on the URL I pasted into the destination field. With this link, you will get compensated each time it receives a predetermined number of clicks. And boom! That's how it is. We hope you enjoyed the video, but now that it's over, what did you think? Leave your comments down below and don't forget to hit that like button. Also, click subscribe if you enjoyed the video and want to see more from us in the future. By the way, we also have a video on how to earn money just by merely doing this Facebook trick. So if you're interested in doing